Okay guys, these are the products I'll be using. And now I'm washing my hair. I'm focusing on the roots, focusing on my scalp, where the buildup happens. Okay, your scalp is the dirtiest part of your head, and that is where you lift up the dirt with your fingertips, not your nails. Now it's time to rinse. Whew. This is my hair, freshly washed, without any products, and a bit elongated because of the water, so it's not dried out. It's pretty moisturized. It's healthy because there's a bounce back. See, boing. See, these are the only 3 ingredients I'll be using for the DIY. Okay, let's make it. She smells like bananas, but she's gonna be good for our hair. I've done most of my hair. Got these 2 pieces left, and I've got this part left. I'm gonna tuck these 2 pieces away. Then I'm gonna work on this one here. First, I'm gonna spray some water because my hair has dried up a bit. I want my hair to be damp, not drenched, dripping wet. I'm gonna squeeze the water so that my hair can soak up. This is what my hair is looking like. Then I take the mask and I start at the ends, working it up a little bit more. Work that in. And then I will finger detangle. Let me come up close so you can see. This is what my hair is looking like with the mask on. I'm going to go in with the comb. Then we're going to split it and go in with the brush. and repeat. I'm gonna finish up these two and then we're going to rinse it and finish off our hair. Girls, we're almost done, okay? This is what my hair is looking like. I've been air drying it for 30 minutes. Good news is still very moisturized. That means we have success in the wash day and my hair is not drinking up water. So I'm going to remove the excess with my hands because I'm going to apply my leave-in and cream. No oil today. And I don't want it to be too wet. I don't want it to be too wet. You know what? I will use a tiny bit of oil at the ends. So we're going to do the LCO method. Liquid cream oil. Leave-in is my liquid. Gonna do 1, 2, 3. Not too much because I don't want to weight my hair down. I want to moisturize but not weight down. Concentrating on the ends. That 3 might have been too much. Okay. Bring some to the front. Then a tiny bit of cream. Comb it out. Literally add just this much oil. Just the ends. I'm gonna twist. Almost done. The last part to moisturize and sealing our moisture. I'm doing the LCO method, which is liquid, cream, and oil. For my leave-in, I'm using for each section about 1, 2, 3. Work that in, starting at the end where it's most vulnerable. Then cream. We just washed our hair, so we don't want to weigh it down with too much product. This is the last one. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, comment which part of the video you liked, what you're willing to try for your routine. This is it. All done. Thank you for sticking around, watching it to this point. Please subscribe, and I will see you in a couple of days with another hair video.